I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. While it may not have the most savory reputation, being loaded with preservatives, various taste-enhancing chemicals, trans fats, and lots of calories, as it turns out, beef jerky can actually be really healthy. Still, to best leverage the substantial amounts of protein, minerals, and vitamins that it contains, you should probably stay away from the cheap packaged tubes of processed meat that you'll find in gas stations and convenience stores, and produce your own. It's not all that difficult, and in just 3 or 4 steps and a few hours of your time, you can make a healthful snack that's portable, delicious, and pretty darn good for you. First, whip up a marinade with a half a cup of Bragg's liquid aminos or soy sauce maybe. Use some garlic powder, a bit of hot sauce, and a little bit of honey. Then slice up a lean steak into strips, put them into a plastic bag with your marinade, and let them soak for a couple of hours. Then remove the strips, put them in a low temperature oven, maybe 130 to 140 degrees, and allow the beef to dry to a leathery texture, keeping the oven door open an inch or two to help with dehydration. Finally, remove the strips from the oven, let them cool down to room temperature, and you'll have yourself a delicious, guilt-free, keto-friendly snack that's perfect to travel with as a post-workout treat or to enjoy as a quick mid-afternoon pick-me-up. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.